Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to plant a root in Bugsnax. First, you'll need to help Wambus with his gardening experiment. Begin by heading to Flavor Falls to find your first two Bugsnax. Look for a rootle or white rootle, which are root-like creatures, and a strabby or ruby peel bug, which are fruit-like. Once you've successfully caught both, bring them back to Wambus's garden in Snacksburg and plant them in the empty plots. This is the crucial first step to growing your very own Bugsnax garden. After planting your initial two Bugsnax, Wambus will notice the soil is quite dry. To fix this, your next task is to find a spuddy. Head over to Scorched Gorge, where you can catch a spuddy by luring two of them into each other, stunning them for an easy capture. Once you have one, bring it back and feed it to Filbo. This might sound a bit unusual, but it's how you'll acquire the special fertilizer needed to enrich Wambus's garden soil. With the soil now improved, Wambus will ask you to gather 3 more unique Bugsnax that burrow into the ground. First, find a Snaquery in Simmering Springs. You can catch it with a trap or by launching your snack trap. Next, head to Sizzlin' Sands for an Inchurrito, which you can stun by luring it into a rock. Finally, journey to Boiling Bay to capture a Sherby. Use your trip shot with nearby lava to warm and stun it. These 3 additions will greatly diversify the garden. Once you have successfully caught the Snaquery, Inchurrito, and Sherby, it's time to bring them back to Wambus's garden. Carefully plant all 3 of these unique Bugsnax in the final available crop areas. With all the Bugsnax planted and the soil fertilized, Wambus's experiment is complete. Be sure to visit him again after some time has passed to see the exciting results of your hard work and dedication in cultivating his extraordinary Bugsnax garden.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.